Today we are going to talking about HTML. Then what is HTML and what are the use of HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is the standard markup language for creating web pages. It describes the structure of the web page. It consists of a series of elements. The elements tell the browser how to display the content. Then, what is the use of HTML? This language is used to tell your web browser what each part of a website is. Using HTML, you can define header, paragraph, images, links, and more. So your browser knows how to structure the web page you are looking at. Now we are going to code HTML. First, we create an HTML file. Here I create an HTML file, type an exclamation mark and enter. Here we can see two parts. One of is head part and the another is body part. In head part, we are using to style and share the links. And the body part, we are used to type our content. Now I am open H1 tag. This tag is used for create headings. Let me check the output. My heading is here. So I want to make a gallery. A gallery has so many pictures. Then I open an img tag, give a path and check it. My heading and images is there. Let me check my gallery. All pictures are here, but they are not arranged. Now we can arrange the images. Width 300 px, height 300 px. Now let me check the output. The images are arranged. Some spaces are here. So we can to style the images. First we open style tag. Can style. Align, center, padding 12 px. The images are arranged. Now we can style the H1 tag. H1, text align center, color brown, also we want to style text transform capitalize. So we create a gallery. Now we have wind up this video. Thank you.